Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. It's the day of judgment. The sun is close. People are terrified. And then, you hear your name. Not because Allah is calling you, but because someone you've forgotten hasn't forgotten you. Maybe it was a friend. Maybe it was your mother, your father, your sibling, a stranger on the internet, someone whose heart you broke years ago, someone you embarrassed, someone you backbit, someone you judged, someone who cried because of your words while you slept peacefully that night. And now, after years of forgetting them, you finally meet again. The frightening part is this. You may not even remember what you did, because human beings move on. But broken hearts don't always do the same. There are people carrying memories of things you've long forgotten. A joke, a comment, a betrayal, a lie, a promise you never kept. And on that day, nothing will remain hidden. Imagine someone standing before Allah and saying, Ya Allah, ask them why they hurt me. Ask them why they made me feel worthless. Ask them why they never apologized. And suddenly, you'll remember that message, that argument, that moment, the one you thought was insignificant. Allah says, and your Lord does injustice to no one. Surah Al-Kahf 1849. Allah is just. Every tear will be accounted for. Every injustice. Every broken promise. Every right. The Prophet told us about the bankrupt person. The one who comes with prayers, fasting, and charity, but they insulted people. They slandered people. They wronged people. And one by one, their good deeds are given away. And imagine the horror of that moment. You spent years protecting your good deeds. You woke up for Fajr when everyone else was sleeping. You fasted in Ramadan. You gave charity in secret. You cried in Tahajjud and begged Allah for Jannah. Only to stand there, watching those deeds leave you, one by one, to the people you thought had forgotten. And then imagine hearing someone say, Ya Allah, I forgive them. Can you imagine the relief? Can you imagine the mercy in that moment? This is why Islam teaches us to seek forgiveness from people before we leave this world. Because graves are filled with people who thought they had more time to apologize, and perhaps the scariest thought of all is that someone might be making dua against you tonight. Someone whose heart is still carrying the pain you caused. While you've moved on with your life, they are still asking Allah for justice. And Allah never ignores the cry of the oppressed. And perhaps the most painful meeting of all will be with the people who loved you. Your parents. The ones who sacrificed for you. Did you raise your voice at them? Did you ignore their calls? Did you delay saying, I love you, because you thought there would always be more time? What if there wasn't? And then there are the people online. The comments we leave. The messages we send. The screenshots we share. The people we mock for entertainment. We forget that behind every username is a heart. And Allah sees what happens even when nobody else does. So what do? We apologize. We return people's rights. We ask for forgiveness. And if we can't find them anymore, we make dua for them. Because one sincere apology in this dunya is better than losing your good deeds in the next. Before you sleep tonight, think of the people you've hurt. Is there someone waiting for an apology? Is there someone who still remembers what you've forgotten? Because one day, you will meet every single person you've ever hurt. And on that day, you won't be able to say, I didn't mean it. You'll only wish that you had said, I'm sorry. And perhaps one sincere apology in this dunya could save you from a lifetime of regret in the next. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.